A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. Yeah, man. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't subscribe yet, now at the best time to click this subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 19 from verse 11 to verse 21. When me look, me frightened to see heaven open up and one white ass stand up in front of me. And the somebody we did a ride the ass, name the one we always serve God and where everybody can trust. Him do a right when he judge people and war against the enemy them. He hear them come in like one fire where a blaze, and he have one whole heap of crown pan his head. He have one name right pan him where nobody no know. Uncle him one. Him did have a long jacket we soak in a blood, and them call him God Word. The army them we in a heaven did a follow back at him. Them did a ride pan white ass too. And them did dress up in a dear linen clothes we white and clean. One sharp sword come out of him mouth where him go use for war against the people them in the world and punish them. Him go rule them with one iron pipe. And him go tap up on them and mash them out like when people are mash out grape with them foot. Him go do them that way there to make them see say God will have all the power, well mad with them. Pan him long jacket and pan the top part of him foot, he have one name right down. King over all of the kingdom and Lord over all of the Lord them. And me see one angel turn up in the sun. Him shout out loud to all I bird them where fly high up in the sky, say, who no come gather together for God big supper. So no can nyam no belly full. Come nyam all kind of body for the kingdom, the head soldier them, the powerful people them, the ass them and them rider, and the body for people were free and people were slave. Body for people were matter and people were no matter. Then me see the wild animal and the kingdom from all over the world, and them army them gather up to make war against the rider upon the ass and feed him army. But the wild animal and the false prophet where they do the miracle them for the wild animal get captured. The false prophet did use the miracle them for fool up the people them where they take the mark of the wild animal and we worship the sitting we look like him. The two of them get fling down in a lake of fire where are burned with sulfur. The rest of people them get killed with the sword where come out of the man mouth where they dip on the ass. And all I bought them nyam the people them body till them stomach full. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? check the description box. Little more.